Voloport coming to the Lakeway Airpark. The Lakeway Airpark was founded in 1929 as the Airfield Ranch, purchased by Hillwood, and established as a homeowner organization after being sold in the late 90s. Notable airpark pilots included Tom Landry, astronaut Alan Shepard, and Air Force Lefty Gardner. Voloports are a new asset class being adopted by Texas and the new administration. They are installed within communities, do not require long runways, have a low noise impact, and are powered by intelligent infrastructure. Besides supporting urban air mobility, they become part of the ecosystem that includes emergency response with drones, drone delivery, and even fire response capable of extinguishing fires. Lakeway is a pioneer in the Central Texas Advanced Air Mobility and Innovation Centers. The Central Texas region boasts over 24 operational zones and hundreds of businesses. Legend Communities is installing the intelligent infrastructure to define the metes and bounds for titling avigation easements and accelerating the industry by engaging the greater ecosystem of partners. Legend has already dedicated drone hubs and aviation easements. Bob Burton, co-chair at Winstead, has been developing the legal frameworks for intelligent infrastructure, avigation easements titles, and P3 business models. Central Texas is the epicenter of physical AI and leading the nation with advanced air mobility. It is driven by economics and depends on collaboration between infrastructure investors, real estate developers, engineering firms, technology providers, community leaders, operators, energy producers, vertiport companies, property and title companies, attorneys, economic development groups, and most important, the local citizens. Texas is building our next golden age of transportation.